I am Sarah. I'm a wildlife cameraman. The spectacular landscape you see behind me is the High Wavy Mountains. And it has a little secret. One of the rarest bats in the world lives in these forests. And I'm hoping I can film it. I'm on my way to meet Rajesh. Rajesh is a bat conservationist and a photographer. Nearly 10 years ago, he photographed a Salim Ali fruit bat somewhere in these forests. So right now we are next to the stream, and along this way, Rajesh found a cave where he saw the Salim Ali fruit bat. This looks so stunning, no?
Yeah, beautiful.
So is this Salim Ali fruit bat habitat?
What I've seen so far is they basically want something where there's kind of less humidity, more moisture, and kind of dark place.
Dark place. So should it be deep inside?
Not really. Doesn't need to be too big cave, but ample space for them to fly around, and there's a water body close by. I think this is the best place for it.
அந்த அது ஒரு குகை மாதிரி அந்த குகைக்கிட்ட இப்போ போய்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். அதுக்கு மேலே நிற்கிறோம். சும்மா போய் என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எல்லாம் உள்ள குகைக்குள்ளே போகாமல் என்ட்ரன்ஸில் நின்றுட்டு.
Right below this,
Okay.
where we're standing, is the rock.
Okay.
And I don't know if that's the place you saw it the last time.
Okay.
And possibly the bats are there.
Yeah.
அந்த பாறை கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி சொல்றீங்களா? Wait. This is the one. So he's saying through this crevice.
I don't see bats, so probably this is a night roast. So they bring the food, sit here, kind of eat them, chew them, and then kind of leave the droppings if left over here. Then go back, search for food, and then come back with the food.
It's like a dining room basically. Yeah. I mean, in a sense, they are dispersers, right?
Absolutely. We call hornbills as the farmers of the forest. I mean, what hornbills do and other birds do in the daytime, bats do in the night time.
Okay. So this is another potential cave, and Rajesh is going to go explore it. So the secret to knowing if there are bats in a cave is to not look up but to look down, right?
Exactly.
Ah.
Yeah. If there are any bats roosting here, you definitely get a stench. The gono smell, probably outside the cave itself.
Okay, so we have 2 caves with no bats. Whoa! Look at this. This is amazing looking cave. This is almost like a Batman cave, right? With a waterfall in front.
Like a great moment in my life. Yeah. Fantastic. Fantastic. Thank you.
This is probably the first time the Salim Ali fruit bat is being filmed. And I feel really privileged to be here, sitting here, doing that. This is something I'll always carry for the rest of my life. Really hope that the footage we get here will raise awareness about the species, because a rare bat like this needs a lot of attention.
They are one of the important places in the ecosystem as seed dispersers. So it's very important to protect them to save the rainforest. In order to protect the rainforest, we have to protect these bats.